brand new chain, brand new transmission. Well, not brand new, but rebuilt. You know, I gotta get me some brakes still. But for the most part, you know, it's done. I finished it. It's like totally rebuilt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let you see how it started. I just turned on the fab. Watch it. Hold on, because I want you to see how it start with like one touch. I'm gonna do this. All right, I'm gonna do it from here. I'm gonna try to do it from here. All right. So everything works except the horn. The horn don't works. I gotta get a new horn, or the harness for the horn don't work. But beside that, everything else work. The lights work. Look at it. The lights work. Let me put on the key fob again. Yep, see the lights work. Just that one ain't working over there. The signal works. Back and front. One over this side. Same thing, it works.